How do you activate and deactivate Python virtual environments? Imagine you're working on a project that needs a specific set of tools and libraries, but other projects might need different ones. How do you keep everything organized without mixing things up? That's where Python virtual environments come in. They create a separate space for your project's Python packages, so nothing clashes with your main Python setup. This is especially important in AI development and machine learning, where different projects might need different versions of TensorFlow, PyTorch, or other libraries. To activate a virtual environment, the process depends on your operating system and the shell you are using. If you're on Windows using Command Prompt, you need to type the path to your virtual environment followed by scripts and then activate. For example, if your virtual environment is in a folder called venv, you would type path +venv plus scripts plus activate. If you're on Windows but using PowerShell, the command is similar but with a different script. Path +venv plus scripts plus activate. PS1. On macOS or Linux with Bash or ZSH shells, you use the command source path to venv bin activate. If you are using the fish shell, the command changes slightly to source path to venv bin activate fish. When you activate the environment, your command prompt usually shows the name of the virtual environment in parentheses, like venv. This indicates that any Python or pip commands now work inside that isolated space. Deactivating the virtual environment is straightforward. You simply type deactivate in your command line, and it switches you back to your global Python setup. This command works the same across all operating systems. Once you deactivate, your system stops using the virtual environment's Python interpreter, and your commands will now refer to the main Python installation. Remember, closing the terminal or command prompt window also automatically deactivates the environment. If you want to work in the same environment again later, just run the activation command once more. Using virtual environments helps keep your AI and machine learning projects tidy. It prevents conflicts between different library versions, which can cause errors or unexpected behavior. For example, if one project needs TensorFlow version 2.5 and another needs version 2.6, virtual environments make sure each project gets the right one. For tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E, managing dependencies with virtual environments ensures your setup remains clean and consistent. If you want to remove a virtual environment, just delete its folder from your computer. This won't affect your other projects or your main Python installation. Getting comfortable with activating and deactivating virtual environments is a key step in setting up your Python environment for AI development. It keeps your workspace organized, your dependencies clear, and your projects running smoothly.